Hi beautiful people, Ange here. Thanks for joining me and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful eye look. Well, I think it's beautiful anyway, using this stunning palette by Pat McGrath. This is the Mothership of 5 Bronze Seduction eyeshadow palette, and it is the only large palette that I have from Pat McGrath. They are not a cheap palette, beautifully presented, a very solid case. You have 10 stunning eyeshadow colours, a beautiful beveled mirror, and the packaging is so sleek, classy, sophisticated. It is just beautiful. I waited until this palette, the number 5, to come out. There was one I was quite tempted with, but I've held off and I'm glad I have, and then I purchased this palette as I really relate to the colours in here. I am really happy that I have this one in my collection. You can purchase this palette from the Pat McGrath website. I will leave a link down below. Sephora.com in the US. Once again, I will leave a link down below. And fantastically, it has just been launched on the Sephora New Zealand website. I will leave a link down below, so you New Zealand babes and Australian babes can get it directly from Sephora New Zealand and Sephora Australia. That is just such great news. And if you haven't experienced the wonders of Pat McGrath and you don't want to purchase a expensive palette like this, I would highly recommend one of her smaller mini palettes. They are still on the pricey side, but it is a great way to dip your toes into this wonderful brand. For example, the Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime Bronze Temptation eyeshadow palette. This is similar in this sort of is the partner to this palette, but it only has 6 shadows. It retails for $55 US, which is a lot more affordable than $125, but it is a way for you to experience this beautiful brand. Before I get into the video, guys, showing you how I created this look, if you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you could click the subscribe button. I try to upload 2 videos a week, but there will always be a minimum of 1. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to be notified when I upload videos, please don't forget to click the notification bell so that YouTube lets you know. So without further ado, if you would like to see how I created this look, please keep watching. So I'm really excited to tuck into this today. I love this palette and we will just make it up as we go today. I'm going to try tape today to see if I can get more of a defined eye look. Well, let's go for it. I'm going to go for this creamy shade here all over the lid, and it does have a shimmer to it, but I just like laying a base down. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas, New Year time with their loved ones and friends and family. This is my first video of 2019 as the skincare ingredients videos that I've just been putting up. I pre-filmed prior to Christmas, but I didn't get a chance to edit them before I went on holiday. I've sort of struggled getting back into the routine again. I have 2 more weeks off on holiday, so I thought I'd try and nail some videos while I'm on holiday so that things don't start off on a very busy yet stressed time. I'm going to go in with this colour here now as a transition colour. It's a little bit darker than a transition that I would normally use, and I'm just going to start in the outer third, the outer portion of my eye, and blend in. These shadows blend beautifully. And I've used this palette a couple of times and absolutely loved it. It's the first Pat McGrath Mothership big palette that I have bought, and quite happy that I only have the one due to the cost of it, but I'm pleased I waited to get this one. Going in with a Sigma E25 brush, I'm going to take this darker brown and just deepen up the outer corner. And then taking it into the socket line. Going back with the original blending brush, no extra product, and just blending that. I'm going to go in with a Wayne Goss number 4 brush, and we're going to try a pop of colour with this beautiful red, and I'm just going to blend that into the socket area just to add some of that in there. And I've said it before and I'll say it again, I love these Wayne Goss brushes, they are so super soft. Going back in with the E25 and the dark brown and building up the outer corner. Going in with a touch more of the red. Back in with the original blending brush. Just blending that up, softening that top line. I'd even dip it in just a little bit more to that first transition colour and take that up just a wee bit higher, as I have such big real estate in this hooded area here. I'm going to go in with that first colour and just the cream colour and just brighten the lid up just a little bit. And then I'm going to take this beautiful rosy gold shimmer colour and apply that on top. Now I could just leave it with the cream for more of a daytime look, but I mean, why wouldn't you try and utilise the beautiful shimmers in this palette? And it is just adorable. Stunning. I'll take the tape away. I'll just take my powder brush and give my face a bit of a wipe, because I did get some fallout from some of the sparkle. Totally worth it though. And the Wayne Goss number 19, the first transition colour that we used. And taking a more detailed flat brush, this is the E20 short shader brush from Sigma, and I'm going to go in with the dark brown and just pop that on the lower lash. And a little bit of the red with the Rain Goss, just to soften that underneath. And just tidy up the outer edges. Okay, so that is the eye look. Quick blend of the upper crease again. I'm always paranoid about that upper crease. Taking my NARS Via Veneto black eyeliner and just tightlining the upper lash line. I might go in with this white shimmer shade there with a little lip liner. Just pop that in the inner corner. This has a gold, even though it looks very, very white in the pan. It throws a bit of gold iridescence, so it's more gold than white. It does not come off how it does in the pan. I have lash extensions on, but I will pop some mascara. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big. I am enjoying having luscious lashes again. It's funny how the little things make us feel, or help us to feel a lot better about ourselves, and lashes is definitely something that helps me. And voila, that is the finished eye look using the beautiful Pat McGrath Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction eyeshadow palette, and I am just so happy that I have this in my collection. As I said, I will probably not add any more of the large ones to my collection as they are a very pricey palette, but I'm so happy with this one. You never know, I may be tempted, but I'm going to try and be a lot better with my makeup choices this year. I really enjoy the look that I came up with. I might do another look actually using some of the other colours in here, as there are so many possibilities with this palette. It is so beautiful. I highly recommend this palette if you do want to shout yourself a luxury beautiful palette. I am not regretting it one iota. I really do hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified when I upload more videos. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later, guys. Bye.